Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to combo Hamster Combat. So, to master combos in Hamster Combat, you'll have to first of all practice in training mode. You can use the game's practice area to try different move combinations without the pressure of a match. This allows you to get familiar with the timing and sequences. Now, second way to do this is daily combo hints. Look for in-game hints or tutorials that may reveal parts of the daily combo. This can be accessed in the challenges or training sections. Now, third way to do this is study gameplay videos. Many Hamster Combat players share detailed combo executions on platforms like YouTube. Watching these can help you understand the inputs and strategies needed for effective combos. Now, fourth way is memorize key sequences. Break down complex combos into smaller sections. Memorizing and perfecting each part will help you execute them flawlessly in a match. Now, fifth way to do this is timing and rhythm. Combos require precise timing. Practice syncing your inputs with characters' movements to maintain accuracy. So, mastering combos improves your performance and unlocks better rewards. So that's how you combo Hamster Combat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.